Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off 2023 with a super fast, super easy recipe that I know you're going to love. Slow cooker white chicken chili. My number one appliance for RV cooking is the Instant Pot. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love my Instant Pots, and yes, I have two. I have a 6-quart and a 3-quart, that way I can have a main dish going and then a side dish at the same time. Before I had an Instant Pot, my favorite thing was the slow cooker. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, I just love my Instant Pot. Anyway, before I had my Instant Pot, I used my slow cooker a lot and loved my slow cooker, loved all my slow cooker recipes. So I use the slow cooker function on my Instant Pot all the time. I would say about 50-50. So about half the time I use the slow cooker function, the other time the pressure cooker. I got this recipe years ago on Rachel Ray, her talk show, her daily talk show. I don't even know if she has that show anymore. If she does, let me know in the comments because we don't watch cable anymore, so I don't even know what daytime TV is like. So I will link this recipe in the description below if you want to print it out, along with some other Instant Pot recipes that I love. All right, let's go make some chili. So we start this off with 5 cups cooked shredded chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken, but I prefer to cook 3 or 4 chicken breasts, either on the grill or pressure cooked in the Instant Pot. You're gonna need 3 cans white beans, don't drain them, a 16-ounce jar of your favorite salsa, 2 teaspoons chopped garlic, 4 cups of chicken stock, 8 ounces shredded pepper jack cheese, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and half a cup crushed tortilla chips. You pretty much put everything in and let her rip, except the tortilla chips. I'll show you what we do with those in just a minute. What's your favorite type of chili? Let me know in the comments. I love all kinds of chili. Red chili, green chili, chicken chili, I love it all. By the way, a salsa verde would be really good in this, and it would be like a nice green chicken chili. It'd be delicious. At this point, I like to stir it all up and just kind of get it incorporated. You don't have to stir it, but I say go crazy and just stir it. Put your Instant Pot glass lid on, and by the way, I love this lid. The link will be in the description below. You can slow cook on low for 4 hours or high for 2 hours, just until the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, I take a couple handfuls of corn tortilla chips and crunch them up right into the pot. Then put the lid back on and cook for another 10 minutes. And this works just to kind of thicken it up some more. I like a really nice thick chili, so. That's it. I don't know if it can get any easier. We like to garnish ours with some avocado and sour cream, a squeeze of lime, and my favorite, cilantro. It's nice to have some quick recipes like this in your arsenal for the days that you either have a ton to do and it's just too busy, or the days that you just don't feel like cooking. And this makes a ton, enough for an army. For the 4 of us, we got dinner that first night, lunch the second day, and then I froze the rest for another dinner, and it freezes beautifully. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you plan on making this recipe. Hit that like button, leave me a comment, and here are 2 more Instant Pot videos that you might like. So we'll see you next time.